Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Donnie. Today we're going to finish the belt restoration project. We have to drill a couple holes for some rivets, and then we're going to rivet this all together, and you'll get to see what the belt actually looks like when we get it all finished and completed. But I did change up the design a little bit. If you've been keeping up on Instagram and stuff like that, you know I got something sweet on that belt. So that's what's coming up next. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so first off, these are our patches. I've got holes marked here in either corner so I can punch, drill, and get these done up so we can put everything together. I'm using a standard punch because it's always best to punch a little hole to make it easier to drill. So we'll get these little divots punched, and then we'll drill the holes out. Alrighty, get my punch back in here. Okay, so now I've got the holes drilled. I marked the holes. Now we're going to go back to the kit here that we used to put the snaps on, and we're going to use the punch and punch out all these holes. Saves on, you know, poking them out with an awl or something. Just punch them out. Do it fast. Get it done. Take some coffee. It's good stuff. Now the hammer, we'll start here. Try and make it through with 2 whacks. Maybe 3. 3 is going to be the key. And don't hit yourself. That hurts. Alright guys, so we're going to use the big cam here to finish this because the little one, it just keeps fogging up. So, sorry about the angle. This is what we got to work with. So we're using 3/16 aluminum prop rivets. These are Benchmark. You can get them at your home hardware. It's actually a decent place to get them because it's cheaper than, say, Canadian Tire or Lowe's even. So I think I need to change the head. Yes, I do. In my rivet gun. Because I usually use 1/16, but this is an older belt. And the older ones, I used a much larger rivet, so it's making me switch up. So I don't mind doing, you know. It's not hard. So we're going to do the side patches first, and then we'll move on to the center. So what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to line up the side patches. And I'm going to start with the front and the rear rivets. So this is our rivet. It's a little long, but that's okay for the side patch. We're using a washer on the back. So we're going to pop this through. Make sure it fits through. No, it don't. So we're going to just round up the hole a little bit. Okay, so I had to go use a bigger bit, but that's okay. So we're going to pop this through here. The number 1 hole. And it didn't go all the way through. Figures, right? I don't know why I started using that punch in the first place. I should have just used my nail. Okay. Pop that through. Where'd our washer go? There's our washer. We're going to apply our washer to the back. And then we're going to sink this one up. Then we're going to get our back one in and do that for both patches here. I won't put you through that because it could take a few minutes, and I'll be back to you when we do the centerpiece. Alright, so we got the side patches on here. They do look pretty good, I tell you. Now for the center, we're not going to use the long bits or the long prop rivets. We're using stubbies. So these are 3/16 by 1/8 of an inch long. Okay, so these are like half this size. Yeah, so half the size of the ones we use for the side patches. I do have another pack of washers if I need them. These ones are quite stubby, which is cool. I like that, but they only had one pack of stubs when I went to grab them, so you get what you get, right? Okay, now check out this bad boy. Isn't that sick? I love it. I love it. I love it. It just looks awesome. Okay, so we're going to start with the 2 holes right here. So it holds everything in place. And yeah, so same routine as doing the patches here. You get your washer ready. Find your hole back here. Grab your washer, stick your washer on the back, and pop it tight. Just like that. And do the same for this side. Once you get the one in, it makes it easier to find the others. And once these 2 are in, everything should line right up perfectly. Okay guys, so it's finished. Doesn't that look cool? Like, that is just nice. I like it. I'm thinking I might... No, it's good the way it is. So, that's what the back looks like after it's all riveted. I'm good to go. I found out I could have used the stubbies for the patches too, because they gave me more in the package than was supposed to be in there. So, oh well. But yeah, there's the belt restoration. You've seen it from the beginning. I'll link the first video in the description, so you can go back and see what the original belt looked like. It's actually not much different to this. It's just I used metallic greens, blues, and got a nice Punisher Canadian sticker for the center instead of just that silver painted on skull. So, I wanted to ask a few questions, if y'all don't mind. I was thinking about changing the name of the channel to just Bradshaw's. What do y'all think? Or should I keep it Bradshaw's Outdoors? That's the first question. Second question is, would you like to see me do a full belt build from template to completion? Let me know in the comments, please. What else would you like to see me do through the winter? Because it's a long winter here in Canada. Anybody in Canada knows that. Or even New York State, Maine, Chicago, areas like that. They know what winter's like up here in the north. I plan on doing some ice fishing in near future here, maybe in a couple weeks. That's going to be fun. I haven't been ice fishing in like 7 years. So I'm going to try the Death Stalker from 10,000 Fish and see how that does. See what bites my hook down there, because I don't have a graph or anything to show me what's under the water. I just gotta sit there for hours and jig, you know. Oh well, but it'll be worth it. I'm itching to go fishing already, and it's only been a few weeks, really, maybe a month. But yeah, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for future episodes coming up here very shortly. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. I thank you. I appreciate your views, and I'll catch you next time on Bradshaw's Outdoors.